Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Little Stories and Rhymes. So today I'm going to teach you alphabets. A for aeroplane, B for banana, C for camel, D for duck, and so on. So I hope you will like it. So now let's start. A for aeroplane. 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 B for banana. 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 C for camel. 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 D for duck. 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 E for elephant. 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 F for fish. 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 G for grapes. 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 H for house. 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 I for ice cream. ICE. Ice. CREAM. Cream. Ice cream. J for jug. 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 K for kite. 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 L for lamp. 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 M for moon. 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 N for nest. 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 O for orange. 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 P for parrot. 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 Q for queen. 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 R for rose. 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 S for ship. 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 T for top. 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 U for umbrella. 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 V for vegetables. 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 W for watch. 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 X for xylophone. 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 Y for yacht. 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 Z for zucchini. 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 So children, I hope you have liked today's video. Next time I'll be back with something new. Until then, take care. Bye bye. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.